Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna show you all how to get this beautiful look on your hair. This hairstyle is the full lock hairstyle, or some people call it soft locks. So I'm gonna show you guys everything from start to finish. So if you're interested, then please stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So the hair we're gonna be using today is from an Amazon store called Vitality Hair, as you guys can see. And inside the bag they've got 6 packs of hair, which I'm just showing you guys right now. And in each pack I believe there's about 24 strands of dreads. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna leave the corrections on the screen, but I will leave the link to this hair, guys, and you guys can get it on Amazon. I love these dreads. They're super soft and the ends are properly sealed, so nothing is gonna unravel them, and they just look really good. And they don't have big knots, so when you put them in your hair, they're gonna look very natural.
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know.
So moving on, guys, it's time to do my hair. As you guys can see, my hair has been washed and detangled, so it's ready to be styled. And when it's like that, it's just a lot easier to work with. You don't have to worry about detangling your hair as you go along. It's just nice to have your hair prepped before you come and do your hair, or before you add any protective style in your hair, so that when you take the protective style out, you can actually see the growth and how your hair is looking and all that good stuff. So as you guys can see, I'm creating a couple of braids all around my hair, basically box braids all around my hair.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did?
To make my braids look very neat, I'm using my red one hair wax, which will be linked in the description box as well. And when doing the braids, guys, you don't want it to be too tight, otherwise when you put your crochet in, it's gonna be hard to get it through your hair and it can cause breakage. So make sure it's not completely tight. If you guys notice, that's how mine is looking.
No, I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I...
So guys, I know there's so many different methods when it comes to doing crochet or locks or anything like that, but for me personally, I love this method that I'm doing, the single plaits, because when you add your locks, it's gonna look so much natural to start with, and at the same time when you want to style your hair, it's gonna be so much easier to style. I know that some people like to do cornrows and then crochet the hair on it, but I only like to do that method when I'm doing curly hair. But when it comes to like dreads or braids or anything like that, this is the method I like to go for. First of all, like I said already, it looks so much natural, which you guys will see, and at the same time when you want to style your hair, it's a lot easier to style. You don't have to worry about what's going on at the back, you don't have to worry about hiding certain parts, you know. It's just so much easier to do it this way. So guys, all I'm doing is just going all around my hair, creating box braids. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm not doing it too big, simply because the dreads are not that big. So you want to keep it not too small but not too big, you know.
Calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings. You don't ever want to set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
So guys, after braiding my hair, as you guys can see, I decided to add some moisturizer into my hands and just massage that in my scalp. That's going to ensure that my hair is moisturized throughout the weeks that I keep my protective style in. So now it's time to move on with the crochet. As you guys can see, I've already used one pack. Yep, this is how one pack looks, which is not bad at all. Almost half of my hair. So far so good, it's looking nice. So now I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I install those dreads into my hair. So first thing, you want to pull the crochet through your braid, pull the dreads back out, and then in that hook on the dread, just create a knot. This is gonna help secure the hair in. And as you guys can see, I'm unraveling just the top part of the dread and wrapping it around my hair. Basically, I know some people like to use extra hair and do that part, but you really don't have to if you do this part right.
Wisdom, wow, 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 now reduce your power, stay strong, wow, 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 make it never ever give up, wow, 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 this year we no go mess up, wow, 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 eh. Wisdom, wow, 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 now reduce your power, stay strong.
So just to show you guys one more time, put the crochet through your hair, grab the dread on the hook and then pull it back out, and you want to create a knot by putting the dread through its own top part. It's a little hard to explain, guys. And then all you want to do is unravel the top part of the dread and then wrap that around your hair until your full hair is covered. If you feel like you need to unravel more to cover your hair, then go ahead and do that. So this is pretty straightforward. It's a lot harder to explain, but if you guys just watch and copy what I'm doing, then you'll get the hang of it. It's really straightforward.
Life is not church, life is your brain. Wisdom, Charlie, tell me where you just think from.
Earlier I said not to make your braids too tight, and this was the reason why. When you put the crochet into your hair, if it's too tight, it's gonna be hard for the dreads to actually go in, and this is gonna cause breakage on your hair, and you don't want that. So you want to make sure that you leave some gap when you're doing the braids. And guys, this is it. Like, it's very much repetitive. It's pretty much the same thing that I'm doing, so the more you guys watch, then you'll definitely get the hang of it.
Wow, 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 now reduce your power, stay strong, wow, 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 make it never ever give up, wow, 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 this year we no go mess up, wow, 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 eh. Wisdom, wow, 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 now reduce your power, stay strong, wow, 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 make it, wisdom, tell your nigga man to stay strong. Cause life too hard if for day from. Cause if you make loose, you no go demon. Wisdom, wow, 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 now reduce your power, stay strong. Wow, 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 make it never ever give up. Wow, wow.
So when you do this method of wrapping the dreads around your natural hair, if you feel like it's not working for you, for example, if you feel like your hair is not fully covered, or maybe you have really long hair and it's hard to like cover it up, then you can use a piece of hair that you have, maybe the same color, and then just wrap that around your own hair and the dress together. So this time you actually won't need to unravel the dread. You just grab it together and wrap the piece of extensions around it.
Plan A, yeah, you forgo plan B. Economy way, any E-levy. Charlie, see the hustle, be right with no the shudder. Members, boys, you cannot they come a pasta. Adrina, yeah, Juma body, ne bread. Life is not church, life is your brain. Wisdom. Charlie, tell me where you just think from. You the use your brain or you the use your ding dong. Your body just the shake, you get a syndrome. Wisdom.
So guys, overall this style took me about 2.5 hours, 3 hours to complete, something like that. And also similar for the pack of hair that I used, I believe I used about 2.5 packs, so I still have a lot left, guys. There's a lot in that pack and it's very good value for your money. So next time you don't have to buy another one, you can just reuse it or just use what you have left.
Wisdom, wow, 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 now reduce your power, stay strong, wow, 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 make it never ever give up, wow, 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 this year we no go mess up, wow, 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 eh. Wisdom, wow, 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 now reduce your power, stay strong, wow, 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 make it never ever give up, wow, 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 this year.
And guys, I have finally finished the last one. Woo! Can you see the relief on my face? and that felt so good, guys. Just massaging my scalp, having hair again, it just felt so good. But yeah, guys, that is it. The dress looks so natural, like what? I love how it looks, so good, so natural, so pretty. I love it. And this is how the back is looking, guys. Like, this method is amazing. It just makes your hair look so pretty, so natural. We always aim to look natural, guys. So guys, this is how it looks when it's brand new, and there it is just a couple of days later. As you guys can see, it's looking a little bit more rough, and yeah, it just looks quite natural, I guess, which I really like. It just looks like real dreads, you know. That's the aim, and that's how it's looking. I really like it. And now just to show you guys a quick style that you can do on it. This is one of my go-to styles, guys. If it's not done on the side, then this is what I like to do, like a half up half down style, and it looks really cute. And as you guys saw, it was super easy to do. If you guys want to see like different styles that I can do with this hair, then please leave a comment down below and I'll definitely do that for y'all. Guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed it, then give a like, and you can give a super thanks, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.